G'day guys, my name is Miles.
And my name is Fez.
And this is The Commodity, and today we are reacting to Ozzy Man Reviews People versus that killed it right there.
No.
Versus Ice number 3. This video was requested to us by Bushy. Thank you, Bushy, for your continued contributions to this channel.
We had spoke briefly on our Discord, which is where you should be putting your suggestions, linked down in the description.
Yes.
And I was happy to do this. And it's funny because we had said on a previous video, we didn't get any ice or snow down in Texas this year, this time of year. Usually we don't get ice and snow until
January or February.
February, really. But I saw this, I was like, we've all had that challenge with the ice and snow. Yes, please. My gosh.
I cooked, and the spices bother him.
But yeah.
Guys, before we hop into this video, if you would, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It truly helps us out in getting these out to more people. Also, if you would, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell notification icon. That way you guys can stay informed on our future videos. And if you'd like to help support the channel even more, you can click the join button down below. You will also get an exclusive YouTube short shout out. Let's watch some people fall.
Let's see it.
It's that time of year again when the cold, unforgiving...
You know, these videos that he reacts to, like the videos themselves are funny, but his commentary in the back
Just adds it so much better.
Yeah.
kiss of winter forces itself upon the people of the Northern Hemisphere. Whoa, that's right. It's People vs. Ice 3. Return of the Broken Coccyx. Here's a few holiday makers hanging out in Chernobyl. I haven't been there personally due to the fact it's radioactive on a...
That's one of my, like... gonna happen one day.
We need to do I'm in for it. I think going and visiting Chernobyl would be the...
And I don't think it's stupid expensive.
No, I don't think so either.
Like, I think it'll be more expensive on this Malaysia trip
than to go to Russia
Chernobyl.
and visit Chernobyl.
Yeah, no.
Which actually Chernobyl's not even in Russia. It's in somewhere else.
But this is one of my, like, all-time...
Ukraine?
I've always... Yeah, Ukraine. In Ukraine, part of Russia.
Man, this is really digging deep into my...
I've always wanted to go here. We're gonna press play.
On account of the
TV show is
meltdowns,
phenomenal.
you shouldn't touch anything. Not the trees or the ground. The ground alone is deadly.
Ow, ow, ow.
Ah, bugger. The old Chernobyl faceplant. He's fucked. The lovely thing about ice is that it doesn't discriminate. Anyone can be a victim. Bam! It doesn't care if you're a human or if you're a car. Kapow! Another human. Pop goes the vertebrae. Ice doesn't even care if you're a dog.
What?
Oh, that was classy as
That
fuck.
was,
This
he was
bloke
like,
has the
oh,
right
yeah, this is awesome.
He was like, I tried so
Did you
hard to
see
get
that?
here, and now I'm back down.
idea. He's pouring salt on the icy steps. Wait, never mind. He's buggered. The bucket is leaving him behind.
Lost all his
Honestly,
salt.
I'd go inside at this point, but he's choosing to persevere.
You do
He
not go
wheels
down
salt
that.
to drive
What
it
are you
down
thinking?
again. Stay down. Protect yourself.
his salt
That's it.
again.
Go for a little slide. At this stage, you just got to accept you got to be living at the bottom of the driveway.
Yeah.
Look at this bloke starting a fight. Lumberjack smash.
Oh.
Clearly the ice wins, dumbass.
What did you think
played
was gonna
yourself. Go
happen?
on, Get out. Yeah, okay, do a trick. Well done. Now he's just relaxing while the dog says, I don't know why he fucking did that.
Have you seen those videos where the people like fall and the next thing you know, like it cuts to another person that's like on the ground dancing?
Yeah.
That's what that looks like. It's like he's just trying to play it off as best as possible.
Right.
I wonder where most of this is. This is like not anywhere near where we live, if it's even in the U.S. for that matter.
Right.
Most of this is probably Russia.
Oh no, here's a wholesome dad.
Well, that looks like America.
Oh, fuck me to the moon and back. That was cataclysmic. Holy moly. Watching that fall hurt my body. Here comes the misso and wife down too.
Right.
Wife down. Thankfully, she slowed her fall by kicking him in the guts. Their daughter has entered the fray, but don't. Just go back. Turn around. Oh, bam. Offspring down.
Oh my gosh.
These bloody stairs have sent the whole...
Tell me your body isn't like feeling the hits.
I still feel it for the man. His head just like...
He's still on the ground.
He's
He
got
is
a concussion.
out. Yeah, he's fucked. Thank you, Ring, for getting these videos.
family to destination fucked. welcome to Cats on Ice. He's like, okay,
Cats
they're
on
filming.
Ice.
Act cool. Just act cool. Do something. Oh, whoa. No, I got this. I'm good. Do a trick. No, I can't do any. I can't do tricks. Just take me home, please. Take me home. Trolleys are a pain in the ass to push
This
at
would
the best
suck.
of times. But
Poor
on
old guy.
ice,
He's
they're
working
even
as hard
worse.
as-
Thankfully,
I feel really bad for old people like that you see at Walmart pushing carts and stuff. I mean, they got to do what they got to do to survive, but it's
for
tough.
shit wages too.
Yeah.
they've called in the military to help. Oh, military down. Fuck.
He's like,
Trolley guy down too. Everyone down. Living in Western Australia, I've never driven on an icy
Okay,
road.
so this is like
but I'm
Japan, I
assuming
think.
this is how you do it.
Or
Drift
China, I don't know.
slowly and hope that your vehicle eventually ends up orientating itself in the right direction. And make sure your hazard lights are on. That's a big one. Drift, lights, hope for the best.
The people
I tell you
in this bus are like, okay.
Yeah, because at this rate, they're not going to get hurt.
what, this is looking good. This is looking like a top-notch Ridgy-Dig effort. He's got forward momentum.
took off.
He's gonna
Well
do it
done.
again. He's gonna
Hopefully
do it
it's
again.
only going to be straight for the rest of the journey.
I promise you.
Ice doesn't always win. Here's a bloke who found a deer trapped in the middle of a frozen lake, and he's fighting back by sliding the deer to safety. In this
taste so
particular
good.
round
That's
of
so
people
sweet.
versus ice, this bloke and this deer are fair dinkum winners. They looked the ice in its cold dead eyes
Oh, he's
and
got
said,
the
not today.
things on his
Does
shoes.
this make up for humans killing Bambi's mum? No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. But it's a step in the right direction. Hey everyone, thanks again for watching.
No, what they're doing is helping that deer survive so they can kill him next year.
Exactly.
That's the way it's done. We both like deer. We both hunt. So
Yeah.
I mean, we aren't wasteful about it. I mean, don't get me wrong. We don't sit there and use every bit of the bones and all that kind of stuff. But we eat them.
Right. Like I'm not going to eat the eyeballs.
Yeah, we ain't trying to do
The brains, you can figure something out with it.
You've had brains from deer? Never have. I'm not against it, but I never have. But you got anything else you want to add to this?
This was good. My favorite ice videos are the ones that like multiple people fall. I felt bad for the guy at Walmart or wherever that
Yeah,
was.
the old dude.
Uh,
But I felt bad for that dad because he
Well, I felt
hit
bad for him, too.
hard.
but I've scrolled through quite a few videos on Facebook recently where like family members will slip on the stairs and like the wife will go after the man and she'll slip and then the kid goes out and she slips and so those are the best as long as it doesn't look too painful.
Yeah. Guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you want to suggest any videos like this, link down to the Discord is in our description. If you want to help us out a lot as well, if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see our future videos, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. And if you want to support us directly, hit the join button. And with that being said,
My name's Miles.
my name's Faz.
Thanks for watching, mate.
Peace.
Out.